When I heard about the antibody research that was coming out of the University of Wisconsin, I was very interested in applying the research they did with chickens to prevent disease. I was really curious about doing this research in fish. In our project, we're administering the antibody through the feed. It's non-invasive. You don't have to do any injections on the fish or handle the fish. You can literally take the feed, the commercial feed, and top coat that feed with the antibody, and then feed that antibody to the fish that way. Antibodies could be used continuously to help protect the fish from disease, or if it becomes cost limiting, you might want to watch the population of fish. If you see signs of stress, then you might implement this technology. Tilapia is a great species of fish to work with preliminary research like this kind of work. This antibody research has never been performed with fish before, and so tilapia is a great first species to do that with. We gauge success at this point based on the data we collect. And so if we get data that suggests that this antibody protects the fish, that would be success. The next steps of the antibody research would be to do some further science in quantifying the antibody in the system of the fish. And we also want to understand how to dose it and look at some of the economics. And so it's really important. The next steps would be to do those types of activities. The other steps would be to look at other species of fish, freshwater, marine. We can look at different pathogens, Aeromonas, which is a freshwater pathogen, versus a Vibrio, which is a saltwater pathogen. And so really the research is endless. I hope eventually this will be implemented at aquaculture facilities around the nation to help sustainability and help prevent massive disease outbreaks that have caused massive economic loss.